Hi, my name is Angie Cimino, and we're here to talk about the device that saved our father from a foot amputation, a device we hope can change many lives. 3MaxSupport is an orthopedic device developed by our father while he suffered from a diabetic ulcer. The intention of this product is to help reduce the high numbers of limb amputations caused by foot ulcers, and also allow people who develop this condition to have a life as normal as possible.
The great thing about this product is that the person who designed it also suffered from the condition. So this design is not only based on its functions, but the patient understanding and emotional aspects were incorporated. We believe that in order to understand the importance of this medical device, you need to hear the story of how it begins.
Hola.
My name is Salvatore Cimino. I am a mechanical engineer, and I am one of 300 million affected with diabetes. And unfortunately, I was one of the 15 million that currently suffer from diabetic foot ulcers. Everything started one day when I found a black spot on my sock. I checked my foot and realized I had a perforation about 1/8 of an inch on the bottom of my foot, close to my toes. The perforation got bigger and went from 1/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. After a few days, I was capable of seeing the perforation from the top of my foot. It created a wound approximately 3 inches wide and 3/4 of an inch deep in less than 15 days. A few days after this, my foot turned purple, the wound turned black, my foot got very swollen, and it was ready to be amputated. I started a treatment with antibiotics and doctor's orders of absolute rest. If I needed to move around, I had to use wheelchairs and crutches. This condition, along with the loss of feeling in the foot, makes it extremely difficult for patients to notice or treat it early, leaving the wound to grow until eventually being fully diagnosed. But it becomes difficult for the wound to heal through the recovery process due to the pressures on the foot causing the regenerative tissues to constantly break open. The healing process of the wound becomes nearly impossible. The medical condition was new and difficult for me. Depression invaded my life and also my family. My condition lasted for about 15 months. After 12 months, the top wound started to heal and close. The bottom part of my foot was still in critical condition. My doctor gave me an ultimatum. I either lay in bed for 6 months waiting for the bottom to heal, or I'd run the risk of getting my foot amputated. I didn't know what to do. So one Sunday, I woke up in a really good mood and with several ideas in my mind. I went to my shop with the intention of fabricating a solution to my problem. After a day of work and testing with scrap metals, I fabricated a support to be placed under my shoes. The device needed to meet several requirements. The first was to relieve pressure from the wound. The second was to free my hands so I could live a fairly normal life. And the third was to be able to wear my daily work shoes so I could go fairly unnoticed in my work environment. So I began using it. And after 3 months, my foot was healed.
Today, thanks to technology, 3MaxSupport has another look and level of functionality. 3MaxSupport allows you to have a fairly normal life without making your injury worse. It is the only device that is worn on the outside of regular footwear, serving as a support. Both men and women can wear it. It is a simple design that allows the patient to perform daily activities without limiting them completely.
Our family has worked very hard to develop this product. With my father's engineering expertise, we have tried to use the best technology, techniques and materials to develop this medical device and make it usable for different people.
However, we do not have the resources to move forward and place the product on the market. We depend on your help to be able to finish the last phase. Our main goal is to get the funding needed in order to finish the last prototypes and start the marketing process to make this product available for families and patients who are suffering. This has become a legacy for our family. Our final goal is to develop other products that focus on different types of ulcers and that cover a broader frame of cases with diabetics and food conditions. Please help us spread the word and get the product out there.